Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you some security settings. Windows Microsoft is providing the Windows Defender by default. So it is from the Microsoft. It is available for all the laptops and computers for Windows 11 and Windows 10. So you can see here Windows 11, for example, open the settings. Inside the settings you can see here privacy and security. So this Windows security feature is very important settings. You have to check in your PC whether it is on or off. You can check from here also, from the down, from this icon you can find this one. So if you click here also, it will open directly Windows security. So you have to make sure this all showing this right click on to protect your laptop with different threat protections. So it will protect from virus, account protection, firewall and network protection, app and browser controls, device security. There is different security available. So you can see here virus threat protection. For example, you can scan whole the computer from here. If you click scan, it will scan whole the computer, and if there is any virus available, it will detect directly. Even if you connect the USB and external hard drive or USB, it will scan directly. If it is found any malicious or threats, it will detect here, and also it will notify us from here. There is some threats available like this, so it will directly dismiss, and it will cache the threats. So you have to make sure the settings like manage settings, you have to check for the real-time protection. Is it on or off? You have to check each and every settings, you have to check carefully. Cloud delivery protection, dev drive protection, automatic sample substation, temper protection. So you have to check all the permission should be on, and also you can check from the account protection, and also firewall should be on, public network and domain network. So you can see here app and browser controls. So you can check every setting from here to protect your laptop from the virus. So by default Windows is providing us, sorry, by default Microsoft is providing inside the Windows 11. So these are the best options to protect your PC. If you doesn't purchase any alternate applications for the antivirus, so it will be protected from the malicious threats by default. So also there is some small settings also available. You can press Windows R in the run, you can type here on important settings. So you can check sometimes if it is not working, the whether it is disabled or enabled, you can check. So Windows threat protection, is it enabled or disabled, you can check from here, gpedit.msc, and enter. So it will open here, and you can click here administrative local group policy editor, this one. So you can open, you can expand this one, and let it be scrolled. It is scrolling. So you can see, just drag here, you can see all settings. Just click here all settings. Once you open the all settings, it will show many settings here. So you can go down, there is Windows Defender, firewall, all those things. For example, sometimes it is completely disabled. If it is not working, you can check from here, turn off. For example, click here T, it will go directly turn off, or else you can type as a name, so you can scroll down directly. So you can see here turn off, there is setting available, and you have to make sure this setting is enabled or disabled. It is depends. Sometimes if by mistakenly if it is enabled, so see here, turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus. If you double click, it will open the another tab. So you can see here, if it is enabled, as of now it is showing not configured. For example, if it is enabled, what will happen? It is saying turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus. It means if you click enable and apply, if it is by mistakenly, if it is happen, you have to make sure this one not configured or disabled. So what will happen, the Windows Defender will be work fine. If it is setting showing enabled, it means the Defender will not work perfectly. So that's why we have to make sure always this not configured and also or else disabled, so it will be work perfectly. Just click OK, and it is see, you can see here it is not configured, so my Microsoft Defender will be work very fine. So there are many different settings available, but as of now I shown some limited settings. So to make sure to protect your computer from the harmful websites and harmful threats, so if you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.